After researching flat earth for a year and finally a few months back coming out saying that the globe is a complete BS lie, people like IPS have been making a lot of progress getting it off of the little internal YouTube community with things like this billboard in Oklahoma. We've got the billboard that happened in Philly, and even Mad Mike, the rocket launch. So I had to do my part. That's right. Flat Earth is now invading the Hot Wheels racing circuit. Me and my kids race Hot Wheels. We started watching these little races here. This is, you can make a car and send it in, so I threw one together here. Little red pill racing team. Had to put a little ODD TV on the side. It's flat. It's the Flat Earth Thunderbird, Flat Earth T-Bird. You guys shoot over to DIECASTRACERX and show some love for the Flat Earth T-Bird. There's 18 cars in this race. People send in from wherever they want. 18 people send in cars. Round one's 3 days long. Let's see how the Flat Earth T-Bird performed. ODD TV, it's flat. A little IPS love on the back quarter. Last year's champion right there, the blue car. You gotta wake people up where you can find them. ODD TV, IPS, there it is. Red Pill Racing. The 88 T-Bird, the Flatbird. Let's check this out. It's like I'm taking on a Chrysler 300. Look at that T-Bird, boy. 1.950 Flat Earth dominance. Now they switch lanes. Let's see how I do. Flat Earth rolling, baby. You guys shoot on over to DIECASTRACERX. Show the Flat Earth some love. Let's wake up every little niche population we can get. Right now, out of 12 cars, the Flat Earth T-Bird sits in second. Just 15 1/1000ths out of first, behind last year's champion. Flat Earth, flat power. Much love, guys.